Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're going to walk through how to apply a tourist visa to travel to Slovenia. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, as we know that Slovenia is a country in Europe and it's part of Schengen agreement. That means you need to apply a Schengen visa in order to get through it. Now, when it comes to apply for Schengen visa, you know it's going to be applicable for all the countries in the region. But based on where you're going to enter and duration, you're going to apply, right? So first of all, if you're from Europe, European Union, or any other country like USA, uh, then you do not need, like, I mean, if your country is a visa-free country for Schengen, then you don't need a visa to travel there for tourism. But if not, then you need to apply. So let's say you are from India. So how you're going to apply? Like you're going to apply from your nearest embassy. So if you are in India, then you will apply at New Delhi. Okay, they have an embassy in New Delhi. So I have opened the website of Republic of Slovenia embassy New Delhi. So you can see they have like visa requirement and other information. So if we go for short stay visa CNA, we know that it is granted for 9, like you can stay 90 days in any 180 days period. Okay. Documents they have described, like it's almost same like other Schengen process where you need like passport, 2 empty pages, visa application form, recent identity photo, okay, visa fee, service fee, travel medical insurance of at least 30,000 euros, and then based on your situation, guarantor letter, invitation letter, various documents. Okay, so they have mentioned that you can apply either at embassy or VFS Global. And for others like Bangladesh, Nepal, and Sri Lanka, they have their own embassies. Fee also they have given. So for an adult, generally it's 80, unless you are a citizen of Gambian percent. Okay, and some other countries they have different fee. Okay, so we have this. And if you want to apply for a visa at the embassy, you need to get an appointment. Okay, but when you have VFS, why would you do that? So in front of you, I have opened this VFS site for Slovenia. I'm going to accept all cookies. Okay. So the process is similar that we have seen for other countries. First of all, identify which visa you need and then start your application, book your appointment, pay the fee, visit the center, and then submit your document passport. And if it is granted, you are all good. So the first step, let's go to the first step because this will give us the vital information. So as you are going for tourism, select tourist here. Okay. So this is in INR and there are fee for VFS service fee. Okay. All right. Documents required, very important for tourist visa. Let's click on the checklist. This is very important because this will give you better understanding. I think it opened, not yet. Anyway, application form and other things, medical insurance, passport photograph, proof of means of transport, flight reservation, proof of lodging, hotel accommodation, proof of financial means, income tax acknowledgement for 2 years. So that's why I was telling you, like, you need to do based on your location. Okay, perfect. You need to put the details, purpose of travel. So you're gonna check this, biometric, visa fee, you're gonna check this. And here comes the document, valid passport, application form, photograph, insurance, previous passport signed with if any, copy of passport, proof of transportation, lodging, personal status, proof of financial means, okay. Non-Indian nationals, it's for them. Now it's according to for tourism, certificate of travel confirming the booking, okay, or any other document. marriage certificate if you are married. All right, and then you need to sign here and confirm. All right, so that's the case. So most of the things we know now. Fingerprint we saw, processing time at least 15 calendar days, but it varies case by case. It may take even longer, or they may even ask you for additional documents or interview if they really want to. Download forms. This is the visa application form. This area is for official use, right side, so don't worry about it. Here they have given in English also, so you should not have any trouble. Surname, at birth, first name, date of birth. Maintain the format that they have given so that it's easy for them and for you also. Civil status, and you have all sort of information. And at the end, these are very basic information where they ask like financial meals, where you're gonna stay, how long you're gonna stay, member state of first entry, all these general questions that you see in Schengen visa application, and at the end, place, date, and sign. So that's how simple it is, guys. That's how you can apply. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.